Good morning, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video I am going to show you guys how to make a pumpkin pie flavored French toast. It's really easy and it's so good, you guys. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, to start I am using 2 room temperature eggs. We're going to crack that in there and add it in our bowl. Alright, now we're going to add our pumpkin pie flavor in there. That's what's going to give it, that pumpkin pie taste and flavor. Next, I am going to add my sugar and also a pinch of salt. Be sure to check the description box for the measurement. Now I am going to add my whole milk in there and we're going to whisk it. Now after everything is well combined, just dip your bread, whatever bread you're using, French bread, any bread will do. It depends on what you like. Basically just dip it on both sides and basically we're going to start cooking this French toast. I added a little bit of butter. Just make sure your butter is well melted. And how you know your butter is ready, it will give you a nice kind of like a brownish color. Not yet, it's not ready yet, it's almost ready. You'll see. Okay, now you see how it's kind of like brownish or yellowish. Just add your bread on there and just let it basically cook. Alright, now we're just gonna let that cook. How do you know it's ready? Basically, you see the bubbles around the toast. It will kind of reduce little by little. When it's like so small, you're just gonna flip it over basically. I love French toast, you guys. I love French toast over pancakes, just to let you guys know. You see how golden and nice it looks? Yes. So basically I am going to repeat the same step again. I made a few. It was really good, you guys, and it's so easy. If you have some bread that's sitting in the pantry and you think you might not need them, this is really easy. I'm pretty sure you guys have eggs and milk and cinnamon will do if you don't have pumpkin spice. Look how nice this toast look. Basically this is it, you guys. It's so easy, like I told you guys in the beginning of the video. Be sure you are subscribed if you're new. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe today. It is free. Be sure to share the video and give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video soon. Bye.